Hi babes. I'm cutting some exotic fruit. Yum. Okay, so I have a dragon fruit, a yellow dragon fruit. I have the pink dragon fruit. I hope it's pink inside. I really like the pink inside, but this one might be white. It's like a hit or miss. Sometimes I get the pink one, sometimes I don't. And a mango. Look how huge this mango is. Really huge. Okay. And my cute little heart bowl. Like, how do you guys cut this? Is there a right or wrong way? I just split it down the middle. So look at the inside. Gorgeous. Like, look at this. Yum. Alright, let's cut our dragon fruit. No, it's white. The dragon fruit, look how pretty. It reminds me of a flower. It's gorgeous. And the mango. Like, my friends always get on me, like, how I cut a mango. Like, is there a right or wrong way to cut a mango? Like, I do like this. They're like, you're leaving out so much flesh, so much fruit. Like, I'm cutting it so close to the seed. Like, how much freaking flesh am I leaving? See that? Look at that. I cut it with the seed. I cut some of the seed. And mango. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to have a little snack of my yummy fruits for today.